Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Next, for the BTC pair. Yeah, I think the analysis stays. Yeah, this 20k level, right, 20 to 25k level is still in play. Yeah, so right now, I think there is not much longs to liquidate. I don't think anyone longing this shit right now. So for the institutions, the leverage exchanges, the money to be made is actually to the upside. However, if you were to ask me, these are pretty good stop out levels for them as well, to just grab some cash from overzealous traders. So really, I think this is either way. But I think this year will be a great year for accumulation. Whether we'll see a pump this year or we'll have to wait for the next cycle, it's fine, right? Because this is already a huge discount from the top, right? Almost a 50% discount, 44 to be exact. So if you're not buying now, what are you waiting for? Right? If it drops out further, make sure you have cash on the sidelines that you can deploy to lower your cost of acquisition, and I think you do fine. So yeah, I think we've come to the end of this week's list. I hope to see you for the next one.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.